My name is Safi Azimola and the name of the company is All Doing Perfectly. I manage the system, follow up on payments with customers, respond to emails, complaints, inquiries. It's a lot easier with the schedule since we serve a lot of different states and you guys have colors for each state, so we can actually look on the schedule, see everything. You can see how many jobs you have on the schedule, is separated by colors. In San Francisco, we can assign each technician and see how many jobs they have on the schedule for that day, and automatically send reminders to customers with their jobs. And also that we can create our own invoice inside. The voice is really good because we can go back and listen to recordings. If the technician has a problem with the customer, we can pull up that job and then Workiz pull up the recording for that conversation right in that job, so we can listen to it instead of having to go and look for the recording. Customers, if they're not home or they want to reschedule or cancel, some customers, they're at work, they don't want to call, so they just send you a message. You can tag your jobs to know what you have in the schedule. A good thing that I like about Workiz also is that you can do mileage, like every area you can cover like 20 mile, 50 mile. So you also know how many technicians you have in each areas to book jobs. When you create an invoice in Workiz, you can send the customer directly from there. So we can also send their invoice or receipt through SMS.